Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create SalesMate contact for Acuity Scheduling appointment. So here for my consultancy services, I'm receiving my appointment through Acuity Scheduling, and now as I'm going to receive a new appointment, then automatically I'm going to get my client details. Now as I'm going to get my client details, then automatically by using those details, I want to create a new contact in SalesMate, which is my CRM application. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Acuity Scheduling and SalesMate. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new appointment through Acuity Scheduling, then automatically I will create a new contact in SalesMate. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see how to create SalesMate contact for Acuity Scheduling appointment. So imagine I'm a consultant who uses Acuity Scheduling to allow clients to book appointment online. And after an appointment is scheduled, I need to ensure that the client's contact information is up to date in my CRM application, that is SalesMate. So I want to update my CRM so I can track interactions and manage relationships effectively. But however, manually entering or updating contact details for each appointment is time consuming and prone to errors. So to streamline this process, I want to automate the creation or update of contacts in SalesMate whenever a new appointment is scheduled in Acuity Scheduling. So this ensures my CRM is always current without requiring manual input. So for setting up this automation, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Acuity Scheduling and SalesMate. So this automation is perfect for consultants, coaches, therapists, or any professional who relies on Acuity Scheduling for booking appointments and SalesMate for managing client relationships. So by integrating these two applications, I can focus on providing my services while ensuring that all my client interactions are properly tracked in my CRM. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this connection between Acuity Scheduling and SalesMate, and now as I'm going to receive a new appointment from Acuity Scheduling for my consultancy service, then automatically it will create a new contact in SalesMate. So here for building this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, I can build this automation without any coding and programming skills. So for that, I just need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and here I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in my landing page, I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create SalesMate contact for Acuity Scheduling appointment. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And in this window, we can see we have two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. And in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what we need to do is we need to first set up our trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be Acuity Scheduling. So I'm going to search for that, and now I'm going to select Acuity Scheduling here. Now I'm going to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I want to get the response of the new appointment that I'm going to receive through Acuity Scheduling for my consultancy service. So I'm going to use this new appointment as my trigger event, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Connect. I'm going to click on Add New Connection. And for connecting Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect, I need to click here on this Connect with Acuity Scheduling button. Now I need to first give the email address of my account. So I'm going to type that. Now I'm going to click on Next. and I have to click on allow access to give access to my account. So I'm going to select this. And I have successfully connected Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect. Now here I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see it is waiting for response. So for getting this response, I need to first create a new appointment in Acuity Scheduling for my consultancy service. And for that, I'm going to open my form by which I can create my appointment. So I'm going to go to Acuity Scheduling. And here this is my appointment form. So I need to fill all these details and I need to select the service that I want to create appointment for. So here I have these two services of consultation and PAB integration. So I'm going to use this consultation service and I'm going to click on book. Now I need to select my time and date. So I'm going to select this time of 9 AM on Thursday. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to click on continue. And now I need to fill all the details of my client. So here the first name will be John. Last name will be Doe. I'm going to give a random phone number of my client. And I'm going to give the email address. So here the email will be johndoe@pabblytudes.com and I'm going to complete my appointment. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully created this appointment in Acuity Scheduling for my consultancy service. And now as I've created this appointment, I need to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my appointment and I have all the detail of my client. So here I have the first name that is John, I have the last name that is Doe, I have the random phone number of my client, also I have the email address that is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. I have the date of my appointment that is August 29, 2024, timing will be 9 AM to 9:50 AM and I have created this on August 27, 2024. So here I have received all these details of my appointment from Acuity Scheduling. So I want to create a new contact in Salesmate with all the detail of my client that I have received from my appointment in Acuity Scheduling. And for creating a new contact in Salesmate, I need to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here my action application is going to be Salesmate. So I'm going to search for that. And here I'm using Salesmate as my CRM application. But here in Action application, you can use any CRM application that you use and you can add new contact in your CRM application from your appointment that you are going to receive through Acuity Scheduling. So I'm going to select Salesmate here. I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and create contact will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Salesmate with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Salesmate with Pabbly Connect, I need to give my host name, account URL and session token. So for getting all these details, what I need to do is I need to first take you to my Salesmate account. And first in my path URL, I'm going to get my host name and the account URL. So what I'm going to do is that in my path URL, I'm going to copy all this until this salesmate.io and I'm going to copy this and I will take you back to Pabbly Connect. And this is going to be my account URL. So I'm going to paste that here in this tab. And now in this, I also have my host name. Now here in the account URL, I have to copy this until salesmate.io. I'm just going to exclude my protocol that is https://. I'm going to exclude that and this will become my host name. So I'm going to paste that in this tab of host name. And now I have added the host name and the account URL. Now I just need my session token. So for the session token, I need to again take you to Salesmate. And now I need to go to my profile. And in my profile, I need to go to my account. So I'm going to open that. Now here in my account, I have this option of access key. So I'm going to open that. Now here we can see I have my session key or my session token. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of session token. Now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on save. And here I have connected Salesmate with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And now what I need to do is I need to create a new contact. So here for creating the contact, I need to use all the detail of my client who has made the appointment in Acuity Scheduling. And now by using all the detail of my client, I'm going to create a new contact in my CRM application that is Salesmate. So for creating a new contact, I need to fill all these tabs. And here I'm going to use the response of my Acuity Scheduling response. And I'm going to map that response here in these tabs. So for that, I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here I will open this response of Acuity Scheduling, and here I need to first give the first name. So this is the first name of my client, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name, so I need to click here. I will open this response of Acuity Scheduling, and here this is the last name, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the mobile number, and I'm going to give the email address. Also, I have all these other tabs too, but I'm not receiving these details of my client, so I'm not going to fill these details. I'm just going to leave these blank. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I need to select my owner. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select SalesMate as the owner of this contact. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give the type of my contact. So here, this is my customer or this is my client. So I'm going to type customer here, and I have typed customer here. So this is going to be my type of contact. And now here I have all these other detail of email opt-out and SMS opt-out. So if I want to create this contact in my email list, or I want to send emails for email marketing, then I can select this option of true here. And I will add this contact in my email list too. Also, I can add this for SMS marketing too. So I can select true here. And now I need to give my currency. So here my currency is going to be Indian rupees. So I need to type INR, which is my currency code. And now I'm going to scroll down. And I'm not going to fill any of these other detail here. But if you want to fill any of these detail, you can do that too. So I have filled all the required details, and I have mapped these detail here. So as I have mapped these detail, I have made these detail dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new appointment from Acuity Scheduling, then automatically I'm going to receive the new response of my client. And as I'm going to receive the new response, then all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new contact in my SalesMate account, and I have created this contact by using all the detail of my client that I have received from my appointment of Acuity Scheduling. So to check whether I have created a new contact in SalesMate or not, I'm going to take you to SalesMate. I'm going to go to Contacts. And here in contacts, we can see I have created this new contact that is named as John Doe. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see I have created this contact which is named as John Doe. I have the first name that is John. I have the last name that is Doe. I have the email that is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. Also, I have the type of contact that is customer. I have this random phone number of my client, and I have added this in my contact in SalesMate. Also, I have this option of email opt-out, which is true. SMS opt-out is also true. And here we can see I have used all the detail of my client from my appointment that I have created in Acuity Scheduling, and automatically by using those detail of my client, I have created a new contact in SalesMate. Now here, as I have created a new contact in SalesMate, so we can see that I have created this automation between Acuity Scheduling and SalesMate. Now as I'm going to receive a new appointment through Acuity Scheduling, then automatically I will use those appointment details and the client detail to create a new contact in SalesMate. And all this is going to happen automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. So to check whether I'm going to create a new contact in SalesMate from my appointment of Acuity Scheduling or not, I'm going to create a new appointment in Acuity Scheduling. So I'm going to open my appointment form again. Now here in this page, I'm going to create a new appointment. So I'm going to again select this service of consultation. So I'm going to click on book. And now I'm going to select my timing. So here my time will be 9 AM on Friday. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to click on continue. And now I need to fill my client detail. So here the first name will be Michael. Last name will be Karis. I'm going to give a random phone number of my client. And I'm going to give the email address. So email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to complete my appointment. And as I have successfully created this appointment in Acuity Scheduling, then what should happen is that automatically by using my client detail from this appointment, a new contact should be created in my CRM application, that is SalesMate. So to check whether I've created a new contact in SalesMate or not, I'm going to take you to SalesMate. Now I'm going to go back to contacts. And here in contacts, we can see I have created this new contact that is named as Michael Karis. So I'm going to open this. And here this is the name of my contact that has the first name as Michael, last name is Karis, email is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. Also I have the random phone number of my contact, I have the type of my contact that is customer. So here we can see I have successfully created this contact in SalesMate by using all the detail of my client from my appointment that I have made through Acuity Scheduling. So here, as I'm going to receive a new appointment through Acuity Scheduling, then automatically I can create a new contact in SalesMate. So here I have successfully created this automation, and for that I have used Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And by using Pabbly Connect, I have created this connection between Acuity Scheduling and SalesMate to automatically create SalesMate contact for Acuity Scheduling appointment. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Acuity Scheduling, and my trigger event was new appointment. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was SalesMate, and my action event was create contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.